With the evolution of the mobile network, digitalized capacity coverage has become the mainstream of indoor MBB solution. Indoor network will bring best user experience, lowest TCO, and value-added service for the operator. Meanwhile, rapid evolution of mobile internet industry shows stronger and stronger desire on indoor digitalized value-added service. For example, location-based precise marketing becomes a significant way to attract consumer and increase revenues. In addition, high experience-oriented service has been the only choice for most retail stores. Huawei innovative service anchor solution can be easily supplied to lamp site, Pico, Wi-Fi network. It can benefit operator with three main advantages. Firstly, network open platform. By standard APIs, third-party applications, which can realize indoor service such as location, navigation, precise delivery. The system can provide precise location within 3 meters. Second, network function component. It can support network function like AC, AG, etc. And these components can dynamically share the capacity of service anchor. Network coordinator. Service anchor can supply multi-RAT network coordination, for example, cellular network and Wi-Fi network load balance, which would improve network experience. Service anchor can be flexibly deployed, either local in enterprise side or remote in operator side, which can save OPEX. With the help of Service Anchor Open Platform, Lampsite or Pico Indoor Network can be used as indoor GPS system, which could provide location service to third-party applications. Based on location information, users can obtain position and navigation in the mall. Merchants can push the advertisement and discount promotion to the users in the vicinity. As well as users and merchants enjoying the convenience of service, owners can identify the merchants who can attract customers, analyze the relationship of brand and position to increase their income. The real-time thermodynamic diagram is also an important part of society and accident treatment of the mall.
我们致力于为用户提供优质的无线宽带服务，推动信息化建设。我们和华为 洞察到位置信息在商场精准营销方面的一个重要价值，联手定制了全新的智慧商场解决方案。我们还基于这个 Service Anchor 平台，向商家和顾客提供更为精准的定制化服务，在提升顾客购物体验的同时呢，牵引销售的增长。我们也希望通过这样一种方式，逐步为更多的企业提供更加优质的服务。
The new indoor system, Lampsite with Service Anchor, which is deployed by China Mobile, improves the coverage of the network in shopping mall and provides the capability of precision marketing. Meanwhile, comparing to traditional telecom system, such as distributed antenna system, this solution creates new values. Combined with Huawei small cell products, Huawei Service Anchor can explore the full value of network and create a new MBB indoor network value chain. Small cell, big business.